A new week started and I'm completely positive again. Last week was a pretty negative week for me because lots of things broke. Yeah, it started actually with Easter weekend. I always miss my family so much with holidays, so I really wanted to go back home, which I couldn't. And then that week lots of things broke on the rig behind me. I will show you in a minute. So yeah, it came to a point where I didn't want to leave the house anymore. I was just crying all day, so that's why I didn't really film last week. We tried to film more this week, so yeah, see how it goes. So last week this chain broke because it was all worn out. This was bent and the wheel bearings here broke off, so yeah, that was really bad. Yeah, I just checked the rake. It looked all fine. It's not a big problem if something breaks, but it is a problem when you don't see it in time, because you can damage the paddock, and that's what basically happened. So I really felt like a fool last week, and yeah, that's why I was a bit down. Good morning, and we have been super busy.
Yes, I have to go now actually. I have to work again because
Yeah.
you're seating, and time is money.
Yes. So I'm not going on the cedar because I think I'm not capable of doing it, and my boss thinks the same, so that's good. That was such a relief that I don't have to do it, because I was so nervous, especially after breaking lots of things. Joey is in a hurry because he really needs to go right now. He's working 13 hours a day and it's like full on at the moment. So yeah, you probably won't see him a lot because he's really busy. So you have to do it with me. Ta-da!
Bye bye.
Bye!
At the moment we are really busy. As you can see, we're also working in the dark because we are seating now, and there's a certain time frame that we have to get all the seats in. So yeah, we are working like around the clock to get all the seats in. So this is the machine that we work with, the seater. It's hard to see because it's dark now.
As you just saw, Joey's working late shifts, so that's why I'm cooking here by myself. Normally we do it with the both of us. I'm making a vegetarian lasagna. All right, I'm gonna pick up Joey now. Then I'm gonna jump into the shower before dinner is ready. There he is. It's huge! Oh my god! Yeehaw! Oh no, wait, show more. Poof!
Bam.
Done! It's Friday! Woohoo! And I'm really feeling it. But I never know if I have the weekend off since we're very, very busy, and that's why we haven't really filmed a lot. We just filmed some bits and pieces the past 2 weeks, and I haven't checked if I have enough for a video, maybe even 2. Don't know yet, but I will check it today. Yeah, what I wanted to tell you was that I burned my hair yesterday. You can't really see it anymore. Luckily, I can feel it here. Yeah, and my lashes are a bit gone. But yeah, luckily to John Frieda, my hair is really good again. Yeah, what happened? We have to burn some rubbish sometimes, and you have to use petrol or gasoline, whatever you call it, and it causes an explosion. I knew that, so I was very careful, but yeah, still it just comes to, I was a bit too slow, so like the explosion was right in my face, so it was a bit, yeah, shocking. I was really shocked for like 10 minutes. I was just like, oh my god, what just happened? And did I burn my face off? And I was just scared. But yeah, now I'm all fine. So yeah, I don't know what to film next, because I'm not sure if you have the weekend off. I hope so, because I really want to do some exploring, and otherwise you have to do it with all our farm work, and you have to watch that. I'm sorry, guys. Look who's back! It's the one and only Joey! I think this was enough farm work for one video, so this will be the end
Yes.
of our farm work vlog. So yeah, it was all about seeding and working around the farm. And next video will be about, you can say it,
Yeah.
Instagram.
About a camera and Instagram.
Oh yeah, see? And yeah, so keep up to date.
Yes, and definitely watch the next upcoming vlog if you're interested in what kind of lenses we use.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll go out shooting and you'll see the differences hopefully.
Yeah, thumbs up if you like this one, and definitely subscribe, because next week will be awesome. Okay.